In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the TrueType function available for all core levels. The TrueType function does not come standard in gold, but you can add it in. As you see, I've started up using the demo menu. I've started up gold with the TrueType function. So you can, at any time, try out any feature of the program just by simply coming over to this demo menu and say, I want to try name patches. You just click try and it'll add it in up here. Now, while you're trying out a feature, the system will be in no output, so you will need to be aware of that. When you're done trying it out, just restart core and it will revert back to your purchased level. Once you add in TrueType, or if you purchase the TrueType function, you will get this icon. If you click it, it switches you into your Windows fonts selection. So we can choose any font we like that comes in Windows. The quality of the output will depend a lot on the quality of the actual font. And TrueTypes are not perfect for the most part, but they do pretty well, and they will get you by when you need a specific font. The key is you may have to make a few changes. For this particular font I chose, I don't like the way this block comes up like that, and then this is a separate block. I believe that this should stop here, then this should be one block. So what we can do is we can edit that. And how do we edit that? First, we have to split this TrueType to basic text. So we're going to break this apart. So we're going to say break up text. All right, and that will allow us to edit. You see? If you try to switch to edit without breaking up the text, the system would just do nothing. So now I'm going to turn off the stitches so we can see a little bit better. And you can see these blue lines, these are where the blocks are being split. All right. And the yellow lines are the stitch angles. Let's turn stitches back on now. You can see. So if I want to split this block here, I'm going to take this split line right here, and I'm going to move it up to there. You see, and now this block overlaps this way. Grab this split line here. I'll put it up here, and then I'm going to take this split line here. And this is just me being very, very particular. Most people wouldn't care, but I do, because in my mind, if you were drawing this, this would go first, then this, and then this would finish over the top. And occasionally, you might find an area where you need to add a split line. Let's say right here, even though this looks pretty good the way it is, I think maybe I would rather split this right here. In that case, what we'll do is I'm going to move these angle lines out of my way. All right, put that up there. And then I'm going to add a split line right there. Now, if you don't have add split line to your menu, you need to do the update. We just introduced the add split line to the lower levels in the 16-18 update. If you don't have that and you do have the TrueType, go ahead and download the update and you'll get that in the right click menu, add split line.